Americans are switching to solar plus batteries in record numbers, and it's not just about being green anymore. Electric bills in the U.S. have jumped by nearly 25 to 30% in recent years, and outages are becoming more common due to storms, heat waves, and an overloaded grid. Homeowners are feeling it every month: higher bills, less control. Here's why the rush is happening right now. Solar costs have dropped over 80% in the last decade. Battery storage is now making homes independent during blackouts. Many families are seeing 50 to 80% reductions in electricity bills depending on system size and usage. The mindset is changing. People don't just want power from utilities anymore, they want to produce their own. Solar panels generate electricity during the day. Batteries store excess energy for night and emergencies. Together, they create a home that is more stable, more predictable, and more cost-efficient long-term. This is why adoption is accelerating across the country. Are you still waiting for energy prices to rise? Or are you ready to take control? To explore Solar Plus battery solutions and see what works for your home, contact solarSME today and take the first step toward energy independence.